Looking to showcase your creativity and attract clients? Learn how to create a stunning UGC portfolio in Canva that stands out. With easy-to-use templates and design tips, you will have a captivating portfolio that highlights your unique style and skills. Ready to elevate your brand? Let's dive in. So hello everyone and welcome in another video where I will show you step by step how to make a UGC portfolio on Canva. So first of all, have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So you have just to sign up and you will find this page. So in this video, we will export UGC for user-generated content, which is any content created by individuals, not brands, that enhances authenticity and engagement. Stay with us until the end, where we will share tips on how to effectively showcase your UGC portfolio on Canva and why it's essential for attracting clients. Don't miss out on valuable insights to elevate your creative career. Let's dive in. So first of all, you have just to click over Create a Design and you choose the option of website, then you click over Portfolio Website. So as you can see, I will select for example this one, and then I will select for example this one, and this is it. So right now I will just delete this photo and also this photo and this one, and then I will just firstly add a text and I will add a heading. So I will just write the size, for example 64, and I will just add something here, like I will just write here John's Alex, and I will add a subheading. Then I will choose also here italic. This one I just choose italic here, and I will add something here. For example, I will add like that, and then I'll just go to the elements and I will add, for example, here we have Gmail and we have here fork and spawn, and I will add also the location and this one, and right now I'll just put it. It's about location. Then I have the fork here. So I'll put firstly Gmail here. Then I will add also this one. So I'll just modify these things, and then I will just go to the text and I will add here a little bit of body, and I will just put it 25, and the color I will select, for example, this color, and I will select also here italic. I'll write, for example, firstly Gmail. and then I will add another one. And I will add here, for example, fast food. Then I would add here location, put it 25, and also I will select here italic, and then the last one, which is I will add my account Instagram or social media, I mean. So as you can see, put also italic here, and then you add your account, and here you put your photo. So you have just to go to the uploads and you upload an image here and you modify it here. You can also modify the background as you want. You can add a comment and other things. So as you can see, also you can draw here, and also you can choose other elements or other options, like you choose this one or this one, and then you modify it. And we have here various designs, so you choose the one you want. For example, this portfolio, and then if you want to zoom this page, you can just zoom like that, and if you want to just quit view, if like that, and we have here scroll view, we have a preview also, as you can see. So a UGC portfolio on Canva helps you showcase your creativity and attract clients. Use Canva's tools to create visually upon presentation of your work. Start designing today to stand out. So this is how it works. You can just here modify other things, like here you have editing, and if you want to come back, you just click over here, and as you can see, and this is how it looks here. And then we have here, if you want to add account, or we have insights, here we have also current page if you want to have something to say, and here we have publish website, then share it with people. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. And see you again in the next video.